Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I am here with a very short video and will show you some of my plants in the recent stage. That's the Crassula. Now that's the snake plant or the Sansevieria which my cousin had given me, and the best part is it has two number of heads now. That's the best thing. Now this is the English ivy and it is doing really well. Look at the leaves. First of all, the leaves are variegated, and now the new leaves are just yellow, a pretty lemony yellow. Now that's my ZZ, the ZZ plant or the black raven. This is the black variety. I believe this is a bit rare than the common variety, and I'm showing it to you because recently it has given out a new shoot, and that is just green in color, which will gradually turn black. Is it black? I don't know. I think it's the deepest green. Anyway, it is called Black ZZ, and whenever I see new shoots, then I'm the happiest person. Now that's my Graptoveria lovely rose. It is fine. Let me pull that. Oh no, it's still attached. I cannot pull it out. That will hurt it if I pull it out. I don't know what I am to do with this particular succulent. Look at the babies growing on the stem, or should I call it a trunk? I don't know how to remove them, so I have left it untouched. Sometimes I think I should behead the plant, then I feel very sorry and I leave it as it is. This is my bougainvillea, which I had purchased from the flower show in the month of February, mid of February I suppose, and it is flowering again. Look at that. The colors which I had seen while purchasing has somehow vanished, and these colors are coming, but I don't mind as long as it blooms. Look at its pretty bracts. See, somewhere it is pink, somewhere it is off-white. Overall, it is lovely. The actual flowers are the little white flowers, and the colorful parts are the bracts. Anyway, enough of botany class. Now this is my Spathiphyllum or the peace lily, and the best part is it is giving out inflorescence everywhere. I have two pots out here, one of which was given to me by one of my sister-in-law Prakriti, and the other pot was given to me by my other sister-in-law. Her name is Rosa. And although my flowers are not fully bloomed yet, but I am a little bit impatient, so I had to share with you before it fully bloomed. Now that's the geranium. Geranium, it's a pretty plant. The flowers are beautiful with different colors. Here I have the pink one, and the leaves are also equally good. I always love to watch the geranium plants, although the smell it gives when we touch the leaves and all are a little bit, I think you understood what I mean to say, but the flowers are just mind-blowing. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at my peace lily. Inflorescence is standing tall and elegant. That's the spathe actually. Oh, again I'm going back to botany class. This time it is giving out the maximum blooms. And geranium, I don't know for how many times it has been blooming. And my pretty bougainvillea, look at the colors. Look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. Such pretty plants. Look at the flowers. Oh my god. Look at it. Yes, my dears, y'all are also equally pretty. I love you too. So friends, I have come to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. Do hit the like button if you found the video interesting. If you are new to our channel, do take a moment to subscribe. I'm sure you will not regret. And stay tuned for more of interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye-bye for today.